Today we're diving into AirTM, a digital wallet that claims to be a global solution for online transactions. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look at what it offers and if it's truly worth your time. AirTM is designed to facilitate digital transactions across borders, allowing users to send or receive money in various currencies. It positions itself as a bridge for those in regions with unstable currencies or limited access to traditional banking services. The interface is fairly user-friendly, which is a plus for beginners. One standout feature is the ability to hold balances in multiple currencies, making it flexible for international transactions. You can also convert currencies within the app, which is handy. However, it's important to note that the fees can get a bit confusing. Depending on the transaction type, costs may vary, and there's limited transparency on how those fees accumulate. While the app seems to target freelancers and businesses needing global payment solutions, I found some areas unclear, especially regarding security measures and how disputes are handled. More detail on these aspects would certainly enhance user confidence. So, what are the pros and cons of AirTM? On the positive side, it offers a solid platform for users looking to manage multiple currencies and provides a straightforward interface. The ability to convert currencies directly in the app is definitely useful. On the flip side, there are a few frustrations. The fee structure isn't as transparent as it could be, which might deter more cautious users. Additionally, there's a lack of detailed information about security protocols, which is a significant concern for anyone handling their finances online. This service may not suit those who prefer traditional banking methods or need extensive customer support, as the service seems to focus more on self-service. However, it could benefit freelancers or anyone needing a flexible digital wallet for international transactions. In conclusion, AirTM is worth considering if you need a versatile wallet for global transactions, especially in unstable economies. However, if you prioritize transparency and security, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it has potential, but it's essential to weigh your needs against the areas where it falls short.